Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna walk you through how to install Dollar General app to save money using digital coupons. So first, go ahead on your App Store or your Play Store and then search for Dollar General app, and then this one will pop up, and then click Get. Then it will download. We'll just wait for the download. Then click install. So it's downloading. Then now it's ready, and then we're gonna open the app. So here is the pop-up, and then just click next, 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 and then next. And then here you can sign in to access coupons and offers to save money. So you have to put your email or phone password if you already have an account. But if you have to create an account, you have to click create account. Then if you are done with that, that's done. So when you are done with that, when creating account, this will be the pop-up. There's home, deals, list, cart, and then you can also put the address or location of the Dollar General store in your local area. And then here you can search for digital coupons. So Dollar General offers $5 off for every $25 purchase, $25 or more purchase. And usually it's always on Saturday, but sometimes they change. And then here you can see all the digital coupons. So they have store coupon and just a normal digital coupon. See, here you can save a lot of money by using digital coupons. So that's the deal for this week. So they have a lot of stuff in here. So they also have a weekly ad where you can see all the deals for the week, like that. You can have a big savings on Gain, Tide, toilet paper, and many more. And sometimes they have a deals in this part. So you can also put list in here, and you can also scan the price, and you can also do online shop in here, and you just have to pick up on the store. There's also calculator in here. So using coupons. So disclaimer, I am a small couponer and a beginner couponer, and this is the first coupon that I started to do because I'm new in US, so I still don't know how to use coupons before, but I did research on YouTube, Facebook. So why pay for a full price when you can use digital coupons? And you can also use paper coupons from P&G or your inserts from Sunday's newspaper or something like that that you can also use. But make sure that you have to read the policy in your local Dollar General, because every state is different. They have different policies, so you have to make sure you're gonna ask for that, or you're gonna do a research for that. And then, so I just have to share this because for a first time couponer, it feels like you're gonna be afraid to start couponing, but don't be afraid to start it, guys, because practice makes perfect. And if you have mistakes or coupons are not working or stuff like that, don't be afraid to void it in the cashier, or ask the cashier if you have problems using your digital coupons, and they will be happy to answer your questions. And you can also cancel your transaction if it's like a wrong transactions. So when you are in the store, make sure that the staff or products are available in the store before you click this plus sign, because you have to click this plus sign to add your digital coupons. To be practical, make sure you are in the store to add coupons. And then when you are already in the register or in the cashier, after the total amount of your purchase, there is a, you can put your mobile number on your, that you use on your Dollar General app, and then all the digital coupons and discounts of like this, their amazing deal of $5 off for purchase of $25 or more. So it will come through with your digital coupons on your mobile phone, and then you save a lot of money. So go ahead and install Dollar General app, then you can save money. That's why I'm saying, why pay for full price when you can have dollar off or discounts. So I hope this video help you guys, and just comment down below if you have questions or inquiries so I can reply on your queries. So let's do couponing and to save more money. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'm gonna see you on my next video. Bye!